wheels. Oh yes, now boys and girls, today is upgrading day. So wheels, tires, and maybe the wheel arch covers, don't know yet. Let me switch around and show you the wheels. So yes, no, big chunky tires, chunky wheels. Big up Youngleys, massive. So yeah, wheels and tires. I'll put you on a bit of a time lapse and away we go. Oh, shizzle me nizzle. Well, we see these bad boys. I've got to do the other side yet, but I've done this side. Turn you around. Oh shit. Boom. Look at them bad boys. Yes, no. Look at that. She's a beast. Yes, no. I'll get back to you in a bit, boys and girls, and I've put them all on. All wheels are on. So now I'm going to do a wheel arch covers. Got something to clean them and then stick them on. Turn you around, show you the wheels. They look good bad boys, innit? Yes, no. Yes, no. So yeah, I'll insert some pictures as well, seeing as you can't see them right well. But yeah, now I'm going to stick my wheel arch covers on. Some wheel arch covers, just because one has got a bit of damage on it, so it's not right down to that bare metal, but it's been dinted a little bit, so I'm going to put them on. Oh, I'm going to put them on so that you can't see that damage basically, and I think they'll look bad boy when they're on, so get back to you in a bit. So that'll be all for this video, guys and girls. Just a quick one for upgrading. It's my upgradings, innit? See what you think. Yes, now. So see you next one. Next one we'll get to see the layout and all that kind of stuff, hopefully. So yes, now in a bit. Thank you.